In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use appointments on your Godaddy website. Whether you're running a small business or offering personal services, integrating an appointment scheduling feature right on your site can be a game changer for both you and your customers. So, let's dive in and explore how to set this up effectively. First, you'll want to log into your Godaddy account and navigate to your website editor. This is where the magic begins. Look for your main dashboard. From there, locate the Website section in the navigation bar. It's typically at the top or easily visible depending on Godaddy's most recent layout updates. Clicking on this will give you a comprehensive view of the available options for modifying your website. Once you're in the website editor, search for the Appointments feature. This is usually found under the Add-ons or Features section. Godaddy often updates their layout, but scanning for these terms should help you locate it quickly. Select Appointments to begin the setup. You'll likely be prompted to start a free trial if this is your first time activating this feature. Go ahead and accept the terms to proceed. Now, you'll need to enter some essential details about your appointment services. This is where you want to be as clear and specific as possible. Start by adding your services, outlining what you offer, the duration of each service, and the price if applicable. It's critical to ensure these details are as accurate as possible to prevent any confusion for customers. Clarity here builds trust and can significantly reduce the number of inquiries or misunderstandings you may encounter. Next, it's time to set your availability. Think about the days and times that work best for you and when you anticipate your clients might want to book. Here, be strategic, considering peak hours for your business can optimize your schedule. If your business operates within specific hours or days, clearly define them in this section. The more structured your availability is, the easier it will be for clients to book times efficiently. Now that the framework is in place, don't forget to add your preferred contact methods. This section allows potential clients to reach out with any questions before scheduling their appointments. Offering multiple options like email or phone can be helpful as not everyone's communication preferences are the same. Once this information is in, make sure to save all your changes. The final step is to preview how the appointment tool will appear on your site. This is crucial because a professional and user-friendly interface encourages bookings. Navigate to the Preview button, which allows you to see the user experience from start to finish. Test out booking a dummy appointment to ensure everything works smoothly and as expected. If you spot any inconsistencies, head back to the editor and make the necessary adjustments. And there you have it. Your Godaddy website is now primed for accepting appointments. This feature not only streamlines your bookings but also enhances customer satisfaction by providing a seamless and efficient user experience. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling!